As we expected and as I shared, gold and silver both traded bullish with the US Fed's FOMC decision and interest rate decision, and now gold at critical resistance at 1740, silver again at 1920 plus levels. These two levels very important resistance zone for gold and silver. Now what is going to happen today, which position we should take in order to make profit? We will be deciding our strategy based on candlestick charts and indicators. I'll give you the trading levels. Do listen to it carefully, do watch till the end, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be up before the US cash session. Don't miss to watch that. So let's start with gold first. Gold right now trading above the support at 1740, and then you know the next target. I have already told 1745 levels. Definitely many a time these levels have come to you. Yesterday also I told you, today again I am telling you 1745 is the next resistance zone. Now look at this. This is the hourly charts on gold, and you can find, see, this is trading at the extremes of the Bollinger Bands. It traded outside it, got the pullback. Now again trying to trade with the rise. The next resistance zone is at around 1745-46, and yes, it may give it a little resistance before it tries to drop. Support there at 1735 is strong. 1735 is definitely a very strong support, and till the time it trades above 1735, I'll look forward to 1745-46, and beyond that it will definitely fly. On the downside, below 1735, remember the figures I have told you since now: 35, 27, 24, these three numbers, and then you can wait for 1715. 1715 again is a very strong number, but I don't think so that it is going to drop. One can remain bullish on gold. Be watchful till 1735. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought, hence a little retracement on the downside can be expected. MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI is overbought. So see, indicators are overbought, hence a minor retracement on the downside can be expected. Minor retracement should not be considered as a drop or a crash, and hence you have to be cautious till the time it trades above 1735. Look at the 3-hour charts here. On the 3-hour charts too, we have seen the 2-hour charts. We have not, and look at this on the 2-hour charts also. It is trying to break out of the Bollinger Bands. Now by now you understand that if it breaks out of the Bollinger Bands, yes, there is a possibility that it can get a pullback again on the downside, again on within the bands here. So yes, it is trying to break and sustain above this. Possibly the candle, see, after this consolidation of 3 candles, we can see a equally bullish move, which might be good enough for it to take it upwards still towards 1746, 1750 levels, and beyond that also is possible. Remember, we can look forward to 1760. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is extremely wide and divergent and bullish here. RSI is near to overbought. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, it is trying to give you a breakout. Possibly similar candles can be expected, but it may try to give you a breakout candle, and then it can get a pullback here. Why? Just to increase the width of the Bollinger Bands. You can see the width of the Bollinger Bands, it is widening, and a break or a stronger move outside and again a retracement down will definitely increase the width further, such that it can sustain the bullish moves. Directional movement is bullish, extremely divergent. Stochastic is overbought here. The MACD has just crossed over. It is wide, divergent and bullish. The RSI is also looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, so this is trying to trade bullish. 1735 is the support. With that, it is trying to rise. The next resistance zone is at 1745-46. Be watchful of that. Beyond that, 1750 and then 1760 levels will come into picture. On the downside, below 1735, you know the levels, which I will reiterate, and I have reiterated again. Look at this. There is a support at 1724 and 22. Be watchful of that. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic entering into overbought levels. The MACD is wide, divergent and bullish. The RSI is looking upwards too. Similarly, on the daily charts, if you look at the charts there, see, similar formation we had seen earlier, but that time it was, say, higher highs we have seen. Previous 2 candles, if you look at previous 3 candles, you look at higher highs, and then it is given also lower lows in last 3 candles, and after that a good swinging up move which brought the candle on the greener side. Now look at and be watchful of this zone at 1745 and 47. Here is the good resistance zone. Beyond that, definitely we can see a flyer till towards 1755-60 levels on the upside, which is going to be the next resistance zone. See, also this is the follow-up candle. This is the first green candle. This is the second green candle. The size of the candle could be half of it, almost what we had seen earlier, 1720 to 1735. Now it may try to give you at least 1735 to 45, and then beyond that is also possible till towards 1750 and 1760 levels. Directional movement is bearish here, trying to converge here. Stochastic is again looking upwards. The MACD had crossed over long time back. It is wide and divergent and bullish, and the RSI is again at comfortable levels. And considering this, you can stay long in gold till the time it is above 1735 today. My next target is 1745, but safe traders must stay away from in between 1735 and 1745 levels. Above 1745 also, rather 1747 is also a next resistance. Beyond that it is going to hit 1750, 55, 1760 levels. 1760, very strong resistance you will get there, and gold might not be able to surpass that, but these are markets, anything is possible. It is looking at the bullish move after long, and the strong bullish move after long, rather I should say. So yes, it can sustain this bullish momentum, and we can expect it to rise higher till towards 1760 levels. So yes, till the time it trades over 1735 we can stay long, but yes, there is a minor retracement which can be expected because this is a long day, the day is just started, and till the US cash session we have lot much of time for it to swing a bit, and hence a rise followed with a little drop, and then a rise can be expected. Trade accordingly. Below 1735, yes, it has got a support at 1727 levels, and if it breaks this, we may see 1732, 33 if you recall, that is also a good number and a good support. Below that it will hit 1727, 24, and below that we will see a fall till towards 1740, 15. So take your positions accordingly. Be cautious, be alert between 1735 and 45 levels. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts also coming out of this channel, and yes, it is a breakout, and it is almost trading at the extremes of the Bollinger Bands. The support at 1920 is strong. Previously I had told you 1920 is a strong resistance zone, and now it is going to be the support for silver. On the upside, 1935, 1950 levels should be very strong resistance. Directional movement extremely bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI is overbought, hence a little retracement on the downside can be expected here. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, this is trying to give you a breakout. Support here at 1910 is strong, only dropping below 1910 you can expect that it is going to trade bearish, else till the time it trades above 1910 you can stay bullish. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic overbought. MACD is extremely divergent, extremely bullish. RSI is overbought on the 2-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, similarly, it is trying to give you a green candle. It is trading outside the Bollinger Bands. Also, this extreme moves just increases the width of the Bollinger Bands for the next move, and hence one can expect that this time it can give you a greener candle. Next candle could be of retracement, where it can come back again till towards 1910, and then from there we will see how it behaves. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI is looking upwards, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, similarly on the 4-hour charts you can see it is trying to give you lower highs. This is the second green candle after this minor retracement. Also, it has got its support, strong support at 1860 down there. Directional movement is wide divergent bullish. Stochastic is coming to overbought levels. The MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the daily candles on the daily chart, definitely it is going to be the third bullish candle today, and see with the support here at 1840 it is trying to rise, and now we are looking forward to a green day, and this green day might take it till towards 1940, the next target, which is going to be a good resistance zone. We have seen earlier 1940 giving it a resistance. Beyond that 1950 levels will come into picture. Be watchful of these two levels on the downside. Yes, 1910 should provide a very strong support. Below that you can expect it to come back till towards 1890, which is the next support zone. So yes, till the time it trades above 1910 you can stay long. The target should be at 1940, 1950 levels. Beyond 1950 it is going to fly further highs, but be watchful of 1940 and 1950. On the downside, if it breaks below 1910, go short for 1890, and below that you can see a very good fall again till towards 1880 and 1860 levels. So take your positions accordingly, and just have a look at the indicators. Directional movement bearish, stochastic overbought, MACD wide divergent bullish. RSI is also coming to the comfortable levels. Considering this, go short only below 1910, and yes, till the time it trades above 1910 we can expect it to achieve 1940 and 1950 the next targets. On the downside below 1910 we can see a little bearishness taking it towards 1900, 1890, 1890 is good support, below that 1880 and then 1860 levels will come into picture. Do not trade between 1910 and do not short, rather I will say till 1910, and trade cautiously. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment in my channel, and you can join my mentorship batch. The 13th batch is starting on 8th of August, and this is a 15 days mentorship session, 90 minutes daily and a lifetime support you get. Also you can join my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details on both. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for more details. Also join my free Telegram channel. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.